Well, let's pick up right where we left off before the commercial break there about Wednesday's potential new record low temperature. So right now it is in jeopardy. I'm saying there's a chance that we could break that low temperature record. So here we are, December 29th. The old temperature record in Fargo was set back in 1990 of 22 degrees below zero. That's for the date December 29th. Now, our forecast low for December 29th of this year, that is of course tomorrow, 23 degrees below zero. So we're forecasting already a 1 degree colder temperature than that record low set back in 1990. So we will be watching very carefully just how cold we get. But again, I'm saying there's a chance of a new record low temperature. But regardless what the temperature actually gets to be, wind chill warning in effect. Wind chills 40 to 50 degrees below zero are possible overnight tonight. This wind chill warning goes until noon tomorrow. Now, we do have a winter storm warning for our, say, Beltrami County off toward Thief River Falls, so Pennington, Red Lake counties down through Clearwater County. Still could see a total of 8 inches to 10 inches of total snowfall there from that band of snow making its way through at this hour. So that's where conditions are expected to be the most treacherous where it comes to driving for us tonight into tomorrow morning. Wind chill advisory continues up north of that winter storm warning in Roseau, Lake of the Woods counties, and a wind chill advisory for the north central part of our viewing area that does include Detroit Lakes and Fergus Falls areas in Lakes Country. So here we are. There's those air temperatures below zero for almost everybody, starting to get there across our Minnesota counties. 6 in Bemidji, one of the hot spots there at this hour, but already 15 degrees below zero in Devil's Lake. And of course, factor in those wind chills. I've expanded this to include portions of the western part of the state as well, as we have some of the coldest wind chills in the state at this hour, 35 below in Devil's Lake. And of course, we do expect them to continue to fall through the overnight as temperatures and wind stays with us. Or as temperatures fall, I should say, and the wind stays with us. 21 below that wind chill in Grand Forks, 24 below that wind chill in Fargo. So here's the satellite and radar. There's where we're seeing some of the snowfall. And I mentioned this earlier that this area is between two Doppler radars, the radar in Mayville and the radar in Duluth. So those two radars may be overshooting these snow clouds that we're seeing. They're always very shallow clouds. So although you may not be seeing snowfall on the radar, surface observations are telling me, yes, there is some snowfall ongoing. And this is, of course, where that winter storm warning continues until midnight tonight, where we are expecting the toughest travel conditions for us overnight. So there you go. The hour by hour does show that band of snowfall making its way through our northern Minnesota counties. Good news is the wind does calm down to about 5 to 10 miles per hour, but with the clear sky making its way in, cold air making its way in, dangerous cold will be making its way in with it. You see wind chills near 30 below already there across our Devil's Lake Basin counties, and you see air temperatures by midnight already sub-zero for everybody to near 20 below already by the midnight hour tonight. Here's 7:30 a.m. We see most everyone is, say, 10 to 15 degrees below zero. But of course, this is in the southern part of the valleys. We're expecting some more clear sky. We do expect, of course, temperatures to drop to near that 23 degrees below zero by the time we get to our in the overnight hours tonight. Here's tomorrow. This is lunchtime tomorrow. You see a few clouds making their way in, but air temperatures stay sub-zero by lunchtime, and wind chills stay 15 to 30 degrees below zero, even at lunchtime tomorrow. So the cold and dangerous cold at that will continue in the lunchtime hour tomorrow and into the evening as well. You see by dinner time, really not much of a reprieve from those temperatures. May see some temperatures above zero in some of the warm spots, but I do expect most of us to be sub-zero for those high temperatures on our Wednesday. And of course, dangerous cold wind chills continuing and mainly across the Devil's Lake Basin, where you could still see wind chills by tomorrow at dinner, 20 to 30 degrees or colder below zero, and that trend continues even into our Thursday morning. So a whole stretch of cold weather ahead. That's why we have these 5 first alert weather days, because it's a cold stretch, multiple days of Arctic temperatures. Speaking of things that are pretty cool, this picture from Lance McDaniel shows some sundogs there with some fresh snowfall. Very cool. I use that in quotation marks because it's flat out cold out there. Thanks, Lance, for sharing that photo with us from your vantage point. So here's the first 3 first alert weather days that we're watching for you, with way below zero for those morning temperatures. So flat out Arctic air for the next 3 days. Some light snowfall possible on Thursday, but Wednesday and Friday could see some ice crystals with just how cold things are for the next 3 days. Then into the new year, we've got 2 more first alert weather days for New Year's weekend, for Saturday and for Sunday. Look at the temperatures there. Saturday could be near 30 below in Fargo as we ring in 2022 for the new year. And Sunday, the best chance of that bitter cold temperature is early. We do see some signs of some warming in the afternoon. So that first alert weather day for Sunday is mainly because of that really cold air we're expecting in the morning on Sunday. But the good news is, hey, get the flip-flops and the Hawaiian shirts out for Monday and Tuesday. We're seeing some above zero, single digits and double digits for Monday and Tuesday of next week. So really just take it easy, folks. Watch out for yourself. Take all those precautions that you're used to taking when things are cold for a long stretch of time. And of course, check on your neighbors who are more susceptible to that Arctic cold.
Looks like traffic moving a little better in that Skycam than it was a few hours ago.
Yeah,
so that's something.
That is something.
Thanks, Nathan.
Yeah. Someone could ring in the new year as a multi-millionaire. Coming up next, how much a lottery jackpot is up to now.